Hello guys, welcome back to of Things. But for today's video, here going to show you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay in Samsung Galaxy. So if you're interested, let's get started. So first is, before we jump into fixes, let's clear on something here. Bluetooth audio delays aren't always your phone's fault. Sometimes it's just the Bluetooth device itself. Lower quality headphones or speakers might have a built-in delay, and that's unfortunately just how they're made. But if your gear is decent and you're still hearing audio that is out of sync with your video, like when people's lips don't match their voice, well, in this case, Samsung Galaxy phone has a clever tool that can help fix this one. So, in this case, first things first is you want to download the Sound Assistant here from the app from the Galaxy Store. Now, in this case, you'll need an app called Sound Assistant, but here's the key detail here. You won't find it in the Google Play Store. Instead, you need to open your phone's Galaxy Store, which in this case, Samsung's own app store here, and search for Sound Assistant. Now, go ahead and install it, and you don't need to install the full good lock speed here. Sound Assistant works perfectly fine on its own and is available in most regions. Now, you want to open the Sound Assistant and look for the Bluetooth metronome tool. Now, once you've installed the app, open it up, and there's a bunch of features in there, but you don't have to worry about all of them. Just scroll down until you see the section called External Audio Devices. Under that, you'll find something called Bluetooth metronome. Now, you just need to tap on it. In this case, this tool does help with your visually and audibly test whether your Bluetooth sounds in sync, especially useful if you watch a lot of videos or play games. Now, it's time to test your audio sync here. Now, you want to make sure Bluetooth headphones or speaker is connected to your phone inside the Bluetooth metronome screen. Now, you see a small animation, a circle with a moving arrow that hits a red marker. Each time the arrow hits the marker, your phone will play a short sound. Now, you just need to listen carefully. Is the sound playing exactly when the arrow hits the red point? If not, it means there's a delay in your audio playback. This tool helps you make it super easy to catch. Now, in this case, there's a slider bar right below the test animation. So if your audio is playing late or early, use this slider to adjust the timing. You'll want to move it until the sound plays right when the arrow hits the red marker. It might take a little trial and error here, but once you get it sync, you'll easily hear the difference. And the great thing about this one is once it's actually set, your phone remembers it, and you won't have to do this every time. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.